gotta share it.
Yeah, for real.
My chest, yeah.
Yeah, we got seniority over them. You ever seen Ted? Whenever they put him back together, and he comes back to life and he goes, looks out, I'm reading pushing on the stomach in the wrong place, but I'm a little messed up, but I'm a little fucked up. But will you take care of me forever and ever? I guess that's just what it looks like when I look in front of his car right now.
I didn't even feel a thing.
I did.
That was brand new, but it's busted.
Right.
Too.
Yeah, it got busted in shipping, but it's our only quick option. Up to the right here.
Hey, look at that. That's what you've been needing. I know.
The rocker panels are fucked up.
Damn. How'd that?
Cross ties, that's what fucked everything up. Like this is the wall. Like you could fix this easy. The cross ties come underneath the car and bent the frame. See?
So we're gonna have to front half that side at least.
I think that side over there might
It
be
looks
clean.
like it. Oh, it's. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I want to make it as light as possible this time going back. It's always gonna be a radio car, so it ain't gotta be super beefy. Whatever you think. I'm fucking really excited. This thing's running good, and I want to keep testing it now. This. So.
Yeah. You want to do titanium on the arms and all that?
Yeah, if I can talk to TMS about it.
Well, we're gonna have to order. We probably can order the boners and that kind of stuff. Matter of fact, we probably can just get stuff through camera. To be honest, quicker. We still got to do boners and all that.
We gotta get 2 wheels.
They both bent.
Yeah. I don't know that the back wheels ain't bent. I don't think they are. The back of the car seems okay.
Okay. So basically, rockers and front end.
Yeah. And I'm gonna try to find a front cap, but I brought that one. It got busted in shipping. I'm gonna have to fix it for now.
Okay. What about the hood?
It's good. That's why I brought
Hood's
that one.
decent. Okay. Oh, I didn't see the hood. Oh, I see.
And then I didn't know if you wanted to cut the corner of that one off and use it on that one. I don't know. That's
It
why
may
I
be. I
brought
about to.
both of them.
What about squeeze?
Send it. Good, might be good to throw out, man. Looking at it, I didn't think it was. I feel terrible. I didn't know what else to do, man. I didn't know how to stop, and I knew I didn't want to hit them rocks going that fast.
I think it'd been better off in the rocks.
I don't know. You see what happened to Scott Palmer?
Oh, he had the fucking
He went off the end and went end over end when it dug in.
Well, that was down there at Bradenton.
Yeah, but them rocks at XRP is like 16 inches deep. Like you was walking out there and you're sinking in them.
Well, and you got to make a decision in like a split second.
Well, I thought about dragging the wall the whole way, or I could have just went to the other Jason's. But
Yeah, I'd have preferred that.
yeah.
You too, huh?
But after I decided that I wasn't gonna drag the wall, and I thought for a split second, like I only had one opportunity to hit the wall, so I just I locked the brakes up and went to it.
Yeah, kept it on all fours.
Been the frame rails?
Oh yeah.
Need to be front there.
Oh yeah.
Look into here.
It didn't look that bad on the.
Yeah. It wasn't bad until I hit them cross ties. The cross ties did it.
Todd's will probably be pretty bad too if you took another and shit out. We just took a what's that 2-fold? Quarter pound. All right. What's my time frame? About a week.
As soon as you can get it.
When's y'all's next race?
Huh?
When's y'all's next race?
What was this go? I'm just gonna try to hit every race I can while we ain't racing. But I really, this is my backup big tire car. Really, if it had to be, you know what I mean? Go out there and crash my other one first race. I'm fucked. I don't know how much further you want to go with it.
It's probably good.
Right here, the way it is, I could rewire it myself. You gotta cut the ends off, then I can go somewhere else.
No, yeah, I wouldn't do that.
2 gallons in. One have 2 gallons in.
So I mean, we don't really need a fuel cell that big.
How big you want to go?
That's a 10 gallon.
I don't remember.
Or 8.
It's about time you change brake pads.
Shit, I fucking killed them trying to stop.
I was about to say, I can see how far it's pushed out over there.
No, I took the front off because the wheel's bent.
Oh,
Here,
I was about to say.
roll this wheel.
Watch it.
Yeah.
This one big?
I don't think that would just change both.
Bad.
Yeah. What about the top frame rails? Can you save them?
As we cut it, we're gonna find out.
These two ride heights and top.
Oh. All right. Ain't number work.
Yeah.
I'm glad I got here first. Yours is simple. Or Todd's is simple, that's for sure.
Todd's ain't that bad. Todd's ain't as bad as this.
Oh, it's fucked as bad. But
Huh?
so we're just not having to go as far. I mean, it's as much work as this, but we're not doing it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think it didn't have that bad.
The wreck didn't do none of that. The cross tie did.
Yeah.
That cross tie, there was 2 cross ties underneath my car. One right here and one back there where the rocker panel's pushed out.
Just
My
let it
back
go.
tires were off the ground. It was sitting on a cross tie. This is all fucking bullshit, man. Like, I ain't blaming him, but he let somebody else back my shoes, and this is wild as heck.
Yeah. It's only money.
No, I mean, we were doing great. Like, we didn't need no fucking help. You know, like, we've been catching since Tuesday. We didn't need nobody
It's
back.
sucking on you, bud.
We didn't need nobody back our fucking shoes. You don't agree with me?
Where's this at?
I feel like you can't use the power.
It don't matter. We can go get it.
Well, I know, but where is it? I mean, reason I'm saying is because if you get there and that's not a fiberglass
You want to go
frame,
wherever, bro. It's going to be in Ohio or something. Mooresville, North Carolina. I ain't for it. He just made that run the other day.
Yeah, that's so damn boring, too.
Hey, man, all you had to do was pack the shoe. It took 5 minutes.
Now it's going to take you about 18 hours.
I'm going to have to sell something.
and then put it on the gig and then check everything else every time if anything else is done. And just anything under the car, consider to get laid out. The wishbone will do some.
Underneath the car, it looks brand new. I don't know how a cross tire looks. It might crack in there. No, I think it actually might have hit those jack stand mounts.
That is fucking. Hold on, pick it up. This bitch don't turn for shit.
It's bent.
Go ahead, come on. Come on. Keep going. Where's the wood? I don't think we're gonna fit through there, bro.
It's enough room.
Might.
It's
Go ahead,
plenty
turn
of
it.
room.
Go straight. We'll move it with the jack and shit. Alright, start turning. Alright. We can pick it up over.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2. Slow down, slow down, slow down. What's that side over there? Alright, come on.
How much room we got with the tree?
Watch that jack.
Hold on.
Ah, man, let the fucking car go. I'm over here holding it by myself.
They'll call you little country for nothing. Yeah. You don't back
I
it up.
don't wonder why that bitch got hit here.
You're real close to your jack
Now
over
we
here.
can turn. As long as we ain't gonna hit over there.
We're about to
Good,
going
Jack?
over it, but
What? Good?
yeah, you just went over it.
Come on.
I know.
Come on, keep on. Shoot.
Watch out, your wings gonna pivot.
That's the way.
Keep going a little bit. Keep going.
Come on.
Clear.
You good?
Your dream coming true. The fucking shop is packed.
No, that's not a dream. That's just a nightmare. More.
Ah, you'll be all right.
Jason said that's a nightmare.
You get off at 10 today. For the rest.
Here's one that never came out of the bag. Somebody pulled it out the bag, but it was in the bag like that. Alright, so we're here at Wizard. We got the car dropped off, just like we thought. Definitely needs a new front half. So he's got a shop full, but he's good about jumping on stuff and getting it knocked out. So hopefully he'll get on it soon, and we'll have that thing back going in the next 2 or 3 weeks. It's gonna be a little bit of stuff. Like I got to get some front wheels. I need to get my strut sent off and checked by Adam, and got to find a front cap. Like I got a couple front caps, but they're all fiberglass, and this car is gonna be a radial car. I want it to be as light as possible. So in the grudge world, there's no rules. So you know, if you have a light car, you got to have a light car because everybody else does. But long story short, the car's here. There's nothing else we can do. We got the motor out. We got all the wires skint back out of his way, and it is in his shop. So I'm gonna go home, watch my little girl play softball, and think about the road to recovery for old JangAlang.
The
radio in it. Yeah, it looks like I've been living in Charles house.
Why'd you go left?
Huh? Oh, my bad. Boom. Scott Plummer goes, boom, bang,
How you doing? How you doing?
That's every day. Ain't nothing to do about it. I guess. Thing is heavy. You got it? Yeah, better.
I think if you get screwed up, Jason will fix it for you.
Yeah, it don't need no work. It's already pretty heavy.
Yeah.
It don't fit.
It's gotta fit.
It's gonna be tight.
It's gotta fit.
When we get it in, it'll turn.
Oh my god.
You didn't measure that.
Get him.